Hello. In eastern China, there is a specific type of bamboo being grown for its huge growth. It is cultivated in a larger extent. The speciality of this bamboo is that it grows to a maximum height of 90 feet. The total years it reaches to 90 feet is nothing but 5 years. The speciality of this kind of a tree is that it grows under the ground for 5 years. And after the 5 years, it takes just 5 months to take the maximum height of 90 feet. So the farmer constantly feeds the seed, that is a bamboo seed, with water daily, not for 1 month or 1 year, but constantly for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, and even on the fifth year. So what happens these 4 years? This seed, it is not growing above the ground, but it is still inside the ground. So in these 4 years, the seed starts to germinate and prepares a very stronger root for the plant. So this stronger root, it is very strong that it is able to withstand the immediate growth which is going to happen after the fifth year. At the fifth year, it just takes only 5 weeks to reach the maximum height to 90 feet. Now the question comes is whether the 90 feet is achieved at only 5 weeks or 5 years. We all think it just takes only like 5 weeks. But the real answer is that it not takes 5 weeks, but it takes 5 years and 5 weeks of total. Why it is so? Because the growth starts not only from the above the ground. The growth starts even from below the ground, where the potential of the plant is observed. It is like somewhat similar to the things happening in our life. We take a certain goal and we constantly try to water that goal, like the goal like be a seed, and the water like be our hard work, our patience, our thoughts and actions. When we are trying to constantly put all those things like for 1 year, we expect some outcome, but something is not growing above the ground, we could not see any outcome. So we try to extend it for the second year, but still we do not get any outcome. We try to do it for third year and even for the fourth year. But majority of the people, some people stop their dream at the end of first year, some people stop at the end of second year, some people stop at the end of third year, and only very few people continue to water the plant for 5 years at where a sudden growth is observed. Because you may see the farmer, if he had stopped watering the plant at the end of 1 year, then the tree's dream would have been demolished. The tree would have not been came above the ground. It could not be producing further bamboo seeds. So the whole dream would have been abolished. So this is one of the beautiful motivational lecture where it just shows that we have to constantly pour our thoughts and actions to our goal, and without we have to strongly believe that something is going to happen quickly. Not very quickly, but we have to just understand it takes a very hard time for developing the root. Only if the root is very stronger, the tree can become very stronger so that it can withstand any kinds of cyclones or even any kinds of catastrophes. But in majority of the time, we expect all the things to be instantaneous. But when the moment we just wait patiently, miracle happens. Thank you.